Hello everyone, welcome to Fun, Learn and Grow. In today's video, we are going to learn that what is Navratri and what are the different forms of Goddess Durga and what prasad we should offer her in order to please her. So let's start. Navratri is a 9-day festival in which 9 forms of Goddess Durga are worshipped. It is one of the most significant festivals celebrated by Hindus all across India with a great fervor. There are a total of 4 Navratris in a year, but only 2, Chaitra Navratri and Sharad Navratri, are celebrated widely. People in different parts of our country celebrate the same festival differently, though they worship the same deity performing different rituals. So let's start. Navratri in Sanskrit means 9 nights. On these 9 nights, people observe fast and offer special prayer to the 9 forms of Ma Durga. Goddess Durga is an incarnation of Goddess Parvati. She took the avatar of Devi Durga to destroy Mahishasura. The 9 forms of Ma Durga are worshipped with 9 different prasad or bhog. Here are the 9 forms of Goddess Durga and the special bhog offered to them. The first goddess is Shalputri, Brahmacharini, Chandraghanta, Kushmanda, Skandmata, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri and the Siddhidatri. Goddess Shalputri is the first manifestation of Goddess Durga. She holds a trishul in one hand and a lotus in the other and rides a bull called Nandi. Goddess Parvati was born as the daughter of Himalaya, and in Sanskrit, Shal means the mountain. Thus she is known as Shalputri. Devotees offer pure ghee on the foot of Goddess Shalputri. It is believed that by offering pure ghee, the devotees are blessed with a life free of diseases and illness. The second goddess is Goddess Brahmacharini. The second day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. The goddess walks bare feet with a Rudraksh mala in one hand and a sacred Kamandlu in the other. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva. Goddess Brahmacharini is offered sugar for the longevity of the family members. The third form of Goddess Durga is Goddess Chandraghanta. The third day of Navratri is after Goddess Chandraghanta. She is a fierce 10-armed goddess with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandraghanta. She rides on a tiger to destroy all evil and wicked. The devotees offer her kheer. The ferocious goddess is pleased with kheer. She is known to drive away all pain. The fourth form of Goddess Durga is Goddess Kushmanda. Chaturthi or the fourth day of Navratri is of Devi Kushmanda. The name Kushmanda is derived from 3 words: Ku, little, Ush, warmth or energy, and Amanda, egg, which means the creator of the universe. The devotees offer Malpua to Ma Kushmanda to improve their intellect and decision-making ability. The fifth form of Goddess Durga is Goddess Skandmata. Goddess Skandmata, who is worshipped on the 5th day, is also known as Panchami. Skandmata is a 4-armed deity who carries a lotus in 2 of her arms with a sacred Kamandlu and a bell in the other 2. She also carries a little Kartikeya on her lap, and because of this Kartikeya, she is also known as Skand. Bananas is the favorite fruit of Goddess Skandmata. The sixth form of Goddess Durga is Goddess Katyayani. The 6th day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Katyayani, who is a form of Shakti. Also known as the warrior goddess, Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent forms of Goddess Parvati. She has 4 arms and carrying a sword. She is in the daughter of sage Katyayana and rides on a lion. Devotees offer honey as a prasad to Devi Katyayani. The 7th form of Ma Durga is goddess Kalratri. Saptami or the 7th day of Navratri is of goddess Kalratri. As per legends, she sacrificed her skin color and embraced a dark complexion to kill demons. She is a 4-armed deity who rides a donkey, carries a sword, a trident, and a noose. She has a 3rd eye on her forehead that is believed to contain the entire universe. Offer jaggery as prasad to Devi Kalratri for relief from pain, obstacle, and bring happiness. 8th form of Ma Durga is goddess Mahagauri. Durga Ashtami or the 8th day of Navratri is dedicated to goddess Mahagauri. She is a 4-armed deity who rides on a bull or a white elephant. She carries a trishul and a damru in her hands. Goddess Mahagauri is offered coconut by her devotees to please her. The 9th form of Ma Durga is goddess Siddhidatri. The 9th or the final day of Navratri is of goddess Siddhidatri. She is projected as a 4-armed deity sitting on a lotus, holding a mace, discus, and a book and a lotus in her hands. This form of goddess Durga signifies perfection. Same seeds are offered to Devi Siddhidatri for safety and security from unnatural events. I think that this video is going to be useful for you. In case if you like the content, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. May God Durga fulfill all your wishes. Thank you.